Hi everyone, once again welcome back to my channel. I hope you people are doing good. So if you people are planning to prepare for UPSC 2026, then this is the right time to start your preparation with NCERT books, because these books will help you to build basics, and if you start your preparation earlier, it will be helpful for you to get more time for your revision. So today I'll teach you how to read NCERTs and how to make notes from them, so that every time when you are referring your NCERTs with the help of your notes, it will be very easy to uh, revise quickly, and it will also save time. So every time when I make strategy videos, I will always suggest you to start your preparation with NCERT. This is because with NCERT you can build your basics, and you will be able to understand what is geography, what is history, like what the subject is talking about. So with the help of this NCERTs, you'll be able to decode the syllabus of UPSC also. So first thing is, before you start your NCERTs, you have to first list out the important NCERT books that you have to read for. So here I am giving all the list of NCERT books that you have to compulsorily read. So for geography, you have to read NCERTs from 6th to 12th. If you feel that you don't need to read class 6th, 7th and 8th NCERTs, that is okay. But you have to definitely cover NCERTs from 9th to 12th for geography, because from this NCERTs you will get questions directly sometimes. So it is highly recommended to at least cover geography NCERTs from 9th to 12th. And next thing is, for polity you can follow class 11th and 12th NCERTs. And for history, it is very much needed to cover NCERTs from class 6 to class 12th, because for each and every topic, like in history you have two types of NCERTs, old NCERTs and new NCERT. To cover each and every topic, it is necessary to read NCERTs of class 6 to class 12. So I would highly recommend you to complete all the history and NCERTs. And for economy, you can follow class 11th and 12th NCERTs. Now coming to the point, in how many months we have to finish these NCERTs. So it usually takes 3 to 4 months of time, depending on how many hours you are spending for completing these NCERTs. So if you are absolute beginner, or if you are a college student, or if you are working professional, no matter whatever you are, you can complete this NCERTs in 4 months with at least 4 to 5 hours of reading every day. So you don't need to worry about the time. So what you have to do is, in 4 months of time, try to complete all the NCERTs that I have mentioned now. So all you need to do is, first thing is, take the NCERTs of one subject. So for example, if you have started your preparation with geography NCERTs from class 6 to class 12, you don't need to spend much time for 6th and 7th NCERTs, because they can be completed very quickly within 4 to 5 hours of time. So first, whenever you are reading your NCERTs, if you take a particular subject, try to complete all the books of that particular subject, so that you may get continuity of topics and continuity of the concept that you are learning. If you go reading on class wise, it will be very difficult for you to cover the NCERTs. So I would suggest you to read NCERTs of one subject at a time. So as I told, you have to complete your NCERTs in 4 months. First thing is, before you start preparing for your NCERTs, you may have a doubt that how to make notes. So for this, what you have to do is, first complete reading the NCERTs of all the subjects one time. Like for example, let's take polity NCERTs of class 11th, Indian Constitution at War. First read the whole book like a story. Like, don't try to remember things, don't try to mug up the concept, just read it as a story. After you finish reading of that whole book, then give a gap of 1 day, and then start reading the book for the second time. This time you have to understand the concept that is given in the whole book. After you finish your second reading, then go to the syllabus of polity in UPSC mains and prelims. So there you will understand which topic you have to prepare and what syllabus covers from this NCERTs. So after you understand the syllabus, then just go through the previous year question papers of UPSC prelims, subject and mains as well. So if you see the topics, then you will understand how questions are being asked. Sometimes you can get direct questions from these NCERTs also. For example, if you see in 2019, building Kalyana Mandapas was notable feature in the temple construction in the kingdom of. So this is the question that have been asked. So this can be seen in the NCERTs itself. So this question was taken directly from the NCERT. If you read NCERT class 12th, you will understand and you will answer this question very easily. So in the same manner, in 2016 also more than 5 questions were asked from NCERTs directly. So this is the importance of NCERT. Sometimes you may get questions directly from them. This NCERTs will also help you to understand the basic concepts. After you finish your second reading, then analyze the syllabus and analyze the previous set question papers. Then after that, when you are doing your third reading, then try to underline the important points and make sure that you note down them in a paper or online, wherever you are comfortable. Make sure that you note down the points that you have underlined. So this is how you start your NCERT preparation and how you make notes. All you need to do is after your second reading only you have to start making notes. Otherwise, now coming to the point, how to plan for NCERTs and how to make a plan for 4 months so that I can complete this NCERT. So for this is let's talk about month-wise plan. So in the first 1.5 month, you have to give your first reading of all the NCERTs, and after that for 1.5 month, take your second reading and start analyzing the syllabus, and in another 1 month you have to completely finish your third reading and notes. So if you want a detailed plan, so if you see here, for example, let us take polity class 11th NCERT of Indian Constitution at Work. So for the first reading, as I told, if you spend 4 to 5 hours of time, it will be very sufficient. So for the first reading, I have given 2 days of time to complete the entire book. Okay, after that, for the second reading, take 3 days of time. So in this 3 days of time, try to understand the concept and see the syllabus of UPSC, like which concept is being covered from this NCERT book. So make sure that you have analyzed the syllabus thoroughly, and after this take another 2 days of time for your third reading and understand the concept very deeply, and then take another day for making notes. So in this way you have to plan your day and complete all the NCERTs that has mentioned below. So this is how you can make a plan, and this is how you can make notes from this NCERTs. So here I have given a rough plan for each and every subject of NCERT. If you find this helpful, so you can follow it, otherwise you can modify and follow it. This NCERTs plan will be helpful for everyone. So I hope you have enjoyed it. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.